Hey there, skincare enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into a topic that's been a game changer for countless people around the world, the Japanese anti-wrinkle secret. You might be surprised at how simple and effective it is, so stick around. First off, let's talk about the cornerstone of Japanese skincare hydration. Japanese women believe in keeping their skin deeply moisturized, and the secret weapon they use? Rice bran oil. This magical oil is rich in antioxidants, vitamin E, and fatty acids, making it perfect for maintaining youthful, plump skin. Now you might be wondering, how do I use this rice bran oil? It's super easy. Apply a few drops to your face after cleansing and toning, then massage it in gently using upward strokes. This helps to lock in moisture and create a protective barrier against environmental stressors. Make it a part of your nightly routine, and you'll start noticing the difference in no time. But that's not all. Another key aspect of Japanese skincare is the use of fermented ingredients. Yep, you heard that right. Fermentation isn't just for food. Ingredients like sake, soy, and rice are fermented to enhance their skincare benefits. One popular product is sake kasu, the leftover yeast from sake production. It's packed with amino acids that brighten the skin and reduce wrinkles. To incorporate fermented ingredients into your routine, look for serums or masks that highlight these components. A sake kasu mask, for example, can be used once or twice a week for a powerful anti-aging boost. Just apply it to your face, leave it on for 10-15 minutes and rinse off with warm water. Your skin will feel refreshed and rejuvenated. Of course, we can't forget about the importance of a gentle touch. Japanese skincare rituals emphasize being kind to your skin. That means no harsh scrubbing or abrasive treatments. Instead, opt for gentle exfoliants like rice powder, which not only removes dead skin cells but also nourishes your skin. Another secret? Sun protection. Japanese women are diligent about shielding their skin from harmful UV rays. Using a broad-spectrum sunscreen every day, yes, even on cloudy days, is crucial for preventing wrinkles and maintaining an even skin tone. So there you have it. The Japanese anti-wrinkle secret combines hydration, fermented ingredients, a gentle touch, and sun protection. It's a holistic approach that not only targets wrinkles but also promotes overall skin health. Give these tips a try and remember, consistency is key. Your skin will thank you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more skincare tips and secrets. See you next time.